Open the activity editor. Move the cursor from one field to another within a field. Move the cursor to the end or beginning of a field. Delete the field contents. Close the editor. With the editor closed, delete the selected activity. Browse through the activities in the list. Browse through the activity list page by page. Jump to the first or last activity on the list. Search for activities according to their attributes and browse through them. Use the search bar to search within each field of the list. Type in the text to look for and see how the first activity that contains the text is highlighted. With the icon on the right of the field or with the F3 function key, you can highlight in sequence other found items. View activities according to the rate code's alphanumerical order.